The privileged speech alleged that Representative Barzaga flagrantly violated Section 141 or Rule 20 of the Rules of House of Representatives when he continuously defied the stern warning issued by the House upon the imposition of the penalty of suspension upon him when he, during the period of suspension, continued posting in his social media accounts the following malicious content as follows. NUP congressmen received bribes from Enrique Razon in various gatherings in Soler prior to 2025 election in exchange for supporting Speaker Martin Romualdez. Congressman Romeo Acop's death will not stop him from facing justice. He must be investigated for involvement in the flood control corruptions. Corruption and plunder against the Filipino people is a sin against the Lord. Congressman Romeo Acop is now suffering through external damnation. He has left the comfort of his luxurious mansion in exchange for a pit of external hellfire. That is the fate of all corrupt politicians. During the interpellation of Representative Tanuatco, Rep. Valeriano stressed that Representative Barzaga was sternly warned that a repetition of similar misconduct would merit more severe sanctions from the House of Representatives. The committee noted that the 60-day suspension of Representative Barzaga expired on January 30, 2026. While serving his suspension, however, the committee took note that Rep. Barzaga committed similar acts for which he was sanctioned. The committee members were in agreement to consider the acts of Rep. Barzaga during the period of 60-day suspension to be a continuing violation subject of a prior disciplinary action. Respondent Barzaga, however, was not in attendance and was considered by the committee to be in default. After exhaustive deliberation on the matter, upon a unanimous vote of all the members present, there being a quorum, the committee has concluded that a violation of law, rule, or regulation of the House relating to the conduct of a House member within the jurisdiction of the committee has occurred. The complainant alleged that respondent repeated the misconduct for which he was previously sanctioned and in fact escalated and intensified the unruly behavior to include vilification of a deceased colleague and defamatory imputations against colleagues and a private citizen through his official social media platform that mocked the name and honor of the House of Representatives. The malicious commentaries made against his colleagues are indeed conduct incompatible with the dignity expected of a legislator, even using his social media account with his official title, Congressman. We find it scornful and disparage the name of the dead, especially a colleague who cannot defend his name and honor before a large audience as Representative Barzaga now has.
With 238 members voting in affirmative, 10 against, 9 abstentions, the findings and recommendations contained in the committee report number 102 are hereby adopted. Is hereby notified that is suspended for a period of 60 days effective immediately.